EDaily conversation.
Preparing ingredients.
What are we going to cook for dinner today?
We are going to cook rice and fried chicken.
That sounds like a simple and delicious meal.
Yes, it is easy to cook at home.
What ingredients do we need to prepare first?
We need rice, chicken, vegetables, and some spices.
I will wash the rice in the kitchen sink.
Please wash it carefully with clean water.
I am washing the rice 2 times now.
That is good enough.
What should I do next?
Please cut the vegetables into small pieces.
I will cut the carrots and onions first.
Be careful when you use the knife.
I will be careful.
I will prepare the chicken now.
Are you going to wash the chicken?
Yes, I will wash it and cut it into pieces.
That sounds good.
We also need garlic for better flavor.
I will peel the garlic now.
Thank you for helping me.
You are welcome.
Now all the ingredients are ready.
Yes, we can start cooking now.
Cooking food.
I will turn on the stove now.
Please use medium heat for cooking.
I am putting oil in the pan.
Wait until the oil becomes hot.
The oil is hot now.
Please add the garlic first.
The garlic smells very nice.
Now add the chicken into the pan.
The chicken is starting to cook.
Please stir it slowly.
I am stirring the chicken carefully.
Add some salt and pepper for taste.
I am adding the spices now.
That is good.
The chicken is turning brown.
That means it is cooking well.
Should I add the vegetables now?
Yes, please add them.
The vegetables look colorful.
Keep stirring everything together.
The food smells very delicious.
I think it will taste very good.
The rice is also cooking in the pot.
Everything will be ready soon.
I am excited to eat.
Me too. Talking while cooking.
Cooking together is very fun.
Yes, I enjoy cooking with you.
Do you cook every day at home?
I cook most days of the week.
That is very good.
Cooking at home is healthier than eating outside.
I agree with you.
Do you like spicy food?
I like a little spice, but not too much.
That is why I added only a little pepper.
Thank you for thinking about me.
You're welcome.
What is your favorite dish?
My favorite dish is fried rice.
That sounds very tasty.
I can cook it for you next time.
I would like that very much.
Cooking is a good skill to learn.
Yes, it is useful for daily life.
The food is almost ready now.
That is great.
Please turn off the stove.
I am turning it off now.
Let us prepare to serve the food.
Okay, I will get the plates.
Serving food.
I am putting the rice on the plate.
Please put enough rice for each person.
I am adding the chicken and vegetables now.
The food looks very delicious.
Thank you.
Let us bring the plates to the table.
I will carry these plates carefully.
Please be careful not to drop them.
I will be careful.
The table is ready.
I will bring the spoons and forks.
Thank you for helping.
Everything looks nice on the table.
Yes, it looks like a good meal.
Let us sit down and eat together.
That sounds great.
I am very hungry now.
Me too.
Let us start eating.
Yes, let us enjoy the meal. Eating together.
The food tastes very delicious.
I am glad you like it.
The chicken is very soft and tasty.
Thank you. I cooked it carefully.
The vegetables are also very fresh.
Fresh vegetables make the food better.
I really enjoy this meal.
Me too.
Cooking at home is a great idea.
Yes, it is cheaper and healthier.
We should cook together more often.
I agree with you.
Next time, we can try a new dish.
That sounds exciting.
I am feeling very full now.
Me too. The food is very filling.
Thank you for cooking with me today.
You're welcome.
I had a great time.
I had a great time too.
Let us clean up after eating.
Yes, we should clean the kitchen.
I will wash the dishes.
I will help you dry them.
That sounds like a good plan.